Hi, I'm Taylor. I was a professor at UT Austin for 15 years, working in data science and education. And then I decided to go crazy and leave academia and go do some AI in the real world. Now I'm working at O'Reilly, building search, recommendation, and all kinds of personalization for computer science learning. And what I'm really excited for in this class is a couple things. One is getting you all really just enough data engineering to go out there and be able to engage intelligently in this. Because I've seen so many data scientists really struggle with some of these basic tools and really struggle to be able to create productionalizable code that people, when they're deploying things, can use. And so you see these great ideas that just fall on the floor when people try to go out and actually put them into production. So that part's really exciting. It's also really exciting what's going on with data engineering right now, because data engineering and data science are really coming together. And we'll talk about this as the class goes on, but they're really starting to come together with tools like Google's TensorFlow and other similar tools that allow you to really do some great analyses without having to be a super duper programmer or a super duper DevOps person. So there's a lot that's really exciting, and we can't wait to get started.